Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can download any video from TikTok to iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Let's get started. For this, we open TikTok. Further here, we find any video clip that we want to download or save. Click Next. Here we have likes, comments, saves. We click Share. Here we have Copy Link. Send Viber, Telegram, Instagram, some other social media, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp. And here we have Report. New interest, and there is Save Video. Click here. Next we have this line that the video has been uploaded automatically into our gallery on the iPhone. Go to Photos, click on the last video, and there's our video. We can scroll through it, we can turn it on, there will be music playing or some words. And this is a simple way to do it, without any apps. If you liked this video, if you have any questions, write in the comments. I will read and answer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.